This tutorial will guide you through the everyday use of your machine and show you how to prepare delicious Nespresso coffees. This machine operates with Nespresso Virtual capsules. Nespresso Classic capsules cannot be used in this machine. Ensure a previous capsule has been ejected before inserting a new one. The recommended cup sizes are: for a mug 230 milliliters, Gran Lungo 150 milliliters, and Espresso 40 milliliters. First, make sure the water tank is filled with fresh drinking water. Turn the machine on by pushing the button. Green light will blink while the machine is heating up. A steady green light means the machine is ready. Place a cup of sufficient capacity under the coffee outlet. Open the machine head by pushing the lever upwards. Insert a capsule of your choosing with the dome shape facing downward. Press the button to start the brewing process. The machine will automatically recognize the inserted capsule and select the coffee preparation parameters and cup length defined by Nespresso coffee experts to extract the coffee blend at its best. During the coffee preparation phase, coffee will start to flow. Green light will rotate quickly during brewing. Steady green light indicates that coffee brewing is ready. If you wish to stop the coffee flow before the end, simply press the button again. To eject the capsule, open the machine head by pushing the lever upwards. Thank you for watching this tutorial.
Breville espresso machines have been designed to ensure they deliver the 4 key elements required to make great tasting, cafe quality coffee. Let's start with the Oracle. If you're looking for the simplest, most convenient way to get a cafe quality coffee at home, then the Oracle is the right machine for you. The Oracle has been designed to deliver the hardest parts of manual espresso automatically. The Oracle features a built-in conical burr grinder that automatically grinds and tamps 22 grams of coffee into a commercial-sized portafilter, the same process you'll find in any cafe. The second key feature of the Oracle is its triple heat system, which uses digital PID temperature control technology. This system allows the Oracle to deliver water to the ground coffee within a degree of the optimum temperature of 93 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The third feature of the Oracle is its pressure control system and true low-pressure pre-infusion. Breville machines gradually increase the pressure to gently expand the grinds. Without this, channeling can occur. Once the pre-infusion is complete, the overpressure valve, or OPV, automatically maintains a constant 9-bar pressure over the entire process. The final key feature of the Oracle is its automatic steam boiler. The steam boiler automatically delivers sufficient and consistent steam pressure needed to create microfoam. Once done, it then self-cleans. If you're looking for a more affordable option in a compact footprint, then the Barista Express is the best bang for your buck. With its built-in conical burr grinder that grinds fine enough for espresso and delivers a consistent dose every time you grind, it truly does punch above its weight. You can even program the volume of the grind for a single or double shot. Using Breville's digital PID temperature control technology, Barista Express is capable of delivering the brew water at precisely the right temperature, and the easy-to-read pressure gauge guides you to the right extraction pressure. Barista Express Steam Wand also delivers sufficient and consistent steam pressure needed to produce cafe-quality microfoam. This makes it the perfect machine to learn the craft of espresso and milk texturing, while also practicing your latte art. To put it simply, it is everything you need for cafe-quality coffee in a compact and affordable package. If you want to control all the variables, then the dual boiler is the machine for you. The dual boiler has been dubbed the barista's choice for home espresso, receiving a 24.5 out of 25 rating by Australian barista champion Craig Simon. Combined with Breville's conical burr grinder, the Smart Grinder Pro, the dual boiler is the best way to control every aspect from bean to cup, while still following the 4 key elements of a cafe quality coffee. The dual boiler has a triple heat system, along with PID digital temperature control technology. This delivers water to the ground coffee at precisely the right temperature for optimal espresso extraction. As you should know, this is paramount in achieving a balanced espresso flavour. Using Breville's OPV, or overpressure valve, the dual boiler provides true low-pressure pre-infusion and consistent 9-bar extraction. Pre-infusion gradually increases the pressure to gently expand the grinds for an even extraction. Once this is completed, a consistent extraction pressure of 9 bar is maintained over the entire process, providing you with a cafe-quality extraction every time. The dual boiler also has a dedicated steam boiler that heats steam to 130 to 140 degrees Celsius or roughly 290 to 310 degrees Fahrenheit, generating enough steam pressure to texture and heat the milk to create microfoam, allowing you to produce latte art. Whether you're a novice, have some experience, or someone who simply wants to enjoy cafe quality coffee at home, Rev will have the right machine for you.
The perfect morning coffee starts with freshly ground beans, a shot of espresso that flows like warm honey, and silky microfoam for that barista quality milk. You can now make third wave specialty coffee at home with ease, with 3-second heat up time and automatic steam wand. The Bambino Plus, small in size, big on taste. Compact without compromise.